Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest products in the market. Today, we're diving into the TravelWell travel-sized toiletries bulk set, the ultimate solution for all your travel needs. Let's get started. Whether you're a frequent traveler, an Airbnb host, or simply someone who loves to be prepared, having the right toiletries can make all the difference. And that's where the TravelWell travel-sized toiletries bulk set comes in. Packed with 180 items, including mini shampoo, conditioner, soap bars, lotion, body wash, and dental kits, this set has everything you need to stay fresh and clean on the go. Now, let's break down what makes this set stand out from the rest. First off, versatility. Whether you're stocking up for your Airbnb, donating to a shelter, or simply packing for your next vacation, these travel-sized toiletries are perfect for any occasion. And let's not forget about the quality. Each item is carefully packaged to ensure freshness and leak-proof travel. Plus, they're cruelty-free, so you can feel good about using them. But perhaps the best part about this set is the value for money. For just $51.89, you get 180 items, packed in durable and attractive packaging. That's less than 30 cents per item. Whether you're a budget-conscious traveler or a savvy Airbnb host, this set offers unbeatable value. It's clear that the TravelWell travel-sized toiletries bulk set is a hit among travelers and hosts alike. But before we wrap up, let's quickly recap the key points. With its versatility, quality, and unbeatable value for money, the TravelWell travel-sized toiletries bulk set is truly the best bulk travel size option on the market. Whether you're stocking up for your Airbnb, packing for your next vacation, or simply looking to stay prepared on the go, this set has you covered. And that's a wrap for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews like this one. Until next time, happy travels!